Good morning students, welcome to class 7. Today we are going to start exercise 2.5. In that, question number 1, which is greater? Here decimal numbers are given. If integers are there, then easily you can see which one is the greater and which one is the smaller. But in decimal numbers, how to compare? Let's see. You have to start comparison from the left side of the decimal points. For example, you can see here 0.5 or 0.05. First of all, see the left side of the decimal point. Here it is a decimal point. Okay. This is the left side and this is the right side. Understood? This is the left side and this is the right side. First of all, see the leftmost digit of the number on the left side of the decimal point. Here 0, here also 0. Both are same. Then after both sides it is decimal points given. So move further. Go to the right side of the decimal point and start the comparison from the rightmost digit, from the ones place. Here it is a 5 and here it is a 0. You can see after the point 5 is there and here 0 is there. Which one is greater? 5 is greater than 0. It means this number is 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Second one, 0.7, 0.500 is same, then 7 is given and 5 is given. So 7 is greater than 5. Next, 7 and 0.7. This 7 you can consider 7.0 and here 0.7. Left side of the decimal point, here 7 is given and other side 0 is given. So it is very obvious 7 is greater than 0. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Fourth one, before the point 1, here also 1, after the decimal point 3 and here 4. So 4 is greater than 3, so 1.49 is greater than 1.37. 2.03, 2.30. It is very obvious 2.30 is greater than 2.03. But how to compare? Let us see. Before the point 2 is there. After the point 0 and here 3 is there. Out of 0 and 3, which one is greater? 3 is greater. It means 2.30 is greater. Here 0.8 and 0.88. 0, same digits after the point 8. Then one more 8 is given. So it means 0.8 that is greater than, here 0.8 is given, that you can consider here 0.80 and here 0.88. If you want to make the number of digits equal on the both side, then here you can put one more extra 0. Okay. So 8 same, then 8 and here 0. That's why 0.88 is greater. Next question. Express as rupees using decimals. 7 paisa, convert into rupees. Simply from paisa to rupees. If you want to convert, then divide it by 100. Here 7 by 100 is equal to 0.07. If in the denominator 10 is given, then in 10 how many zeros are there? 1. So 1 decimal point you have to shift. I mean after decimal point 1 digit should be there. 100 is given, then how many 2 zeros are there? It means after the point 2 digits should be there, 0.7. You can see. Next 7 rupees 7 paisa. 7 rupees as it is, this 7 paisa you have to convert into a rupees. It means divide it by 100. So 7 plus 7 divided by 100, 0.07. Okay, this 7 as it is, this 7 by 100, 0.07. 7 plus 0.07. How to add 7.00 and 0.07. Now add them. 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 0, 0. 7 I mean, sorry. So it will be 7.07. This way you can add in the rough work. Next, 77 rupees 77 paisa. 77 rupees as it is, divide this 77 paisa into divide by 100. So it will be 77, this 77 as it is, and this will be 0.77. So answer will be 77.77. Okay, this is very easy, this one. Try yourself. Question number 3. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. First of all, you have to remember, if you want to convert the unit centimeter into a meter, then you have to divide the given number by 100, and into kilometer, then you have to divide given number by 1000. Very simple. 5 divided by 100, it means 0.05 meter. 5 divided by, sorry here, not with 1000, actually you have to divide by 1000 into 100. So you have to divide by 1 lakh. Okay, you have to divide by 1 lakh. So 5 divided by 1 lakh. How many 5 zeros are there? So decimal point after 5 digits should be there. So only 5 is there. So what you can do here, write down 5, then put zeros here randomly and count the digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and here you can put the decimal point. Okay, understood? If you want to convert centimeter into meter, then you have to divide it with 100, and from centimeter to kilometer, then you have to divide by 1 lakh. But if from meter to kilometer, then you have to divide by 1000. Actually I understood that from meter to kilometer, that's why I said 1000, but here actual question is that from centimeter to kilometer, that's why it will be 1 lakh. Next, express millimeter in a centimeter. From millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. 35 divided by 10, it is a 3.5 centimeter. Next, into a meter. So you have to divide by 1000. From millimeter to meter, then divide by 1000. Here in this examples, what it is written? First, millimeter to centimeter. Okay, look at here, millimeter to centimeter. So divide by 10, you got the answer 3.5 centimeter. Now this 3.5 centimeter you convert into a meter, so that you have to divide by 100. Understood? So it is a 0.035 meter. Why I have said 1000? Because if direct you will convert 35 into a centimeter, from millimeter to meter, then you have to divide by 1000. But if from centimeter to meter you want to convert, then you have to divide by 100. And here they have converted from centimeter to meter, that's why here 100 is taken. Next, convert into kilometer. Now this is the meter. Okay, this meter you want to convert into kilometer. Simple, divide by 1000. 0.035 divided by 1000. So 3 decimal points you have to add. It means 3 zeros you can add, you can see here. Okay, express in the kilogram. 200 gram, very simple here, from kilogram to gram or gram to kilogram. How to convert that you have to remember. Gram to kilogram, divide by 1000, and kilogram to gram, then multiplied by 1000. First one 200 divided by 1000, so it will be 0.2 kilogram. How to divide? 200 divided by 1000. Okay, this 2 0 you can cut. What remains? 2 upon 10. 10, it means 1 0 is there. So after the point, one digit should be there. So here 2 and here 0. Remaining 2 examples, try yourself. Question number 5. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. I hope all you have studied before this one, so it is very easy. 20.03. So first of all, write down the digits. On the left side it is given 0, starting from 0. First you have to multiply with 1, 0 into 1, then 2, it is on the tens place. 0, that is on the ones place, you can see 20, so this 0 on the ones place, so multiplied by 1, 2 is in the tens place, multiplied by 2. Then on the right side of the point, 0 on the 10th place, so divide by 10th. 3 on the 100th place, so divide by 100. On the left side you have to start with the rightmost digit. It means here 0 is there, from that you have to start, then 0, then 2, here 2 is there only. Okay, so 1 stands hundreds, and on the right side of the decimal point it stands tenth, hundredth, thousand. Okay, so you have to divide. Question number 6. Okay, there's question number 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll see in the next video. Till then, you can practice this questions and examples.